my name is Lavagna and I'm playing Mrs. Gloop and Grandma Georgina. Yes, I'm very excited to be back in the Aberystwyth Arts Centre, especially at summer. And I'm so excited to be working with legends that are Philip Harries and Gillian, and I've always admired other productions I've seen of Richard's as well, so it's really exciting to finally be able to work with him. And obviously I've admired Geraint Edwards' funny impressions online and things, and I knew of him but I'd never worked with him before, and also the rest of the cast are just superb, so I'm really excited. Rather than me having something in common with them, I think I've realised that lots of their characteristics I've witnessed from family members, or you know, stereotypically how mothers and fathers are with children and things like that. I haven't got any children, so it's been really interesting trying to find the truth in absolutely adoring your son, you know. The closest I can get is how I feel about my niece, so I think I've tried to use a little bit of that. My dad's a brilliant cook, so Mrs. Gloop feeding the family all the time is kind of like that's coming in somewhere. And with Grandma Georgina, because we're playing the grandparents as kind of Welsh and putting that spin on it, spoiler, I've really enjoyed working with Phil, Gillian and Geraint on creating kind of individual Welshy grandparents, but also pairs, and then also how we work as one big kind of lovable grandparent. So I think that's been a challenge, but I've loved it. I'm used to playing about 5 characters in a production. I've spent most of my professional career now playing multi-rolling many different characters, so it's really nice actually to be able to concentrate on 2 for a change. There's obviously so many challenges, like quick changes and trying to find quick ways to get into the characters themselves and how different they are, but also maybe how similar they are. But I love it. It's so cool to be able to switch between the 2 quickly, and you know, in between dances and singing and trying to do everything else. I really love it. It's good fun. It's energetic, you know. It's fast, so it's good. I checked in again with the original film because I think that's the one that I really grew up watching. I've seen the Johnny Depp version as well. I think my biggest source of inspiration, especially for Mrs. Gloop at the moment, just because of us focusing in on her physicality quite a lot, I've been watching Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, and I've been watching The Doll on a Music Box That's Wound by a Key, and I've been trying to get the kind of like Austrian cuckoo clock physicality, which is great because it's so different to Grandma Georgina, who's in a bed, so a lot of it is very facial and you know, comedy timing with the way we look and things like that. So loads of inspiration coming from kind of the traditional brilliant films that are the original Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and then obviously for me personally Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, because it's a huge brilliant film that I love. Yeah. Well, because I'm in it, obviously. No, I'm joking. I think people should come to Aberystwyth Arts Centre to see Charlie and the Chocolate Factory this summer, because Aberystwyth Arts Centre is a glorious place to be anyway. You can come and have a lovely coffee and watch the sea on top of the hill with your family. I think the show itself is already, week 2, it's vibrant, the set's amazing, the costumes are just next level, they're ridiculous and brilliant. And the cast is so strong, the singing, the dancing, the choreography that Leanne Pinder has done, even up to this point, is so based on story and really connecting to the truth of it, as much as it being a celebratory, fun show that you can just come and see and laugh at and enjoy. And I think there's so many things going on in the world at the moment which are not to celebrate, that I think it's, if anything, it's the most important time for you to come and buy a ticket and see the show.